Part 4A of the Constitution, Article 51A. The fundamental duties, added by the 42nd Amendment in 1976. Not directly enforceable in courts, yet reflected through many laws and constitutional values. During the emergency periods framed, the Swarenstein Committee gave this recommendation's name. The 42nd Amendment brought this Constitution away. Linking rights with duties, citizens must obey. Inspired partly by the Soviet constitutional side, responsible citizenship became part of democratic life. Not only freedoms the people claim, duties also strengthen the nation's frame. Article 51A begins the call. Fundamental duties meant for all. Respect the Constitution and its ideals. The national flag and anthem revealed. The Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act remains, protecting symbols of the nation's name. Constitutional respect becomes alive through laws helping unity survive. Remember the freedom struggle's flame. Sacrifices behind independence remain. The spirit of liberty still survives through constitutional democratic life. Rights and duties walk together, strengthening democracy forever. Justice, liberty, unity, built through civic responsibility. Not merely words the Constitution writes, but values guiding public life. Part 4A reminds us all a nation grows when citizens stand tall. Protects sovereignty and unity too. National integrity breaking through. Laws against secession still remain, protecting constitutional democratic frame. Defend the nation when duty calls, protecting the republic through every storm. Military service and national pride, constitutional patriotism standing high. Promote harmony beyond divide, fraternity standing side by side. Religion, language, region, race, unity rising above every space. The representation of people act remains, preventing division through hatred's name. Constitutional secularism survives through equality and democratic life. Respect women and reject disgrace. Human dignity must find place. Laws against dowry and violence too. Constitutional morality breaking through. The Dowry Prohibition Act still stands, protecting dignity across the land. Equality grows through legal ways, strengthening constitutional democratic space. Protect culture and heritage too. India's diversity shining through. Monuments, traditions, languages remain. Civilizational memory sustain. The ancient monuments protection laws survive, preserving heritage through national life. History and culture still remain within the constitutional frame. Forests, rivers, wildlife, air, environmental responsibility shared. Compassion toward living beings stays. Constitutional environmental ways. The Wildlife Protection Act survives. Forest conservation laws remain alive. Environmental Protection Act too. Fundamental duties breaking through. Article 51A and 48A align. Citizens and state moving in time. One guides government, one guides people's way, protecting nature every day. Fundamental rights protect freedom. Directive principles guide the state. Fundamental duties guide the citizen. Together, they complete constitutional democracy. Develop scientific temper and reform. Humanism helping society transform. Question ignorance, encourage thought. Constitutional progress deeply taught. Promoting inquiry and reasoning too. Constitutional modern values breaking through. Education and awareness rise, strengthening democratic life. Safeguard public property with care. Violence and destruction must not remain there. Prevention of damage to public property laws stay, protecting national assets every day. Strive for excellence in every sphere, helping national development appear. Citizens growing through work and skill. Constitutional progress moving still. The 86th Amendment added one more line. Parental responsibility entered in time. Children between 6 and 14 years The education protected through constitutional care. The Right to Education Act survives, bringing learning into democratic life. Fundamental rights and duties combined through constitutional educational design. Rights and duties move as one, strengthening the nation's foundation. Freedom survives when citizens care. Constitutional values remaining shared. From unity and harmony to environmental light, fundamental duties guide what is right. Part 4A forever remains. Citizenship flowing through democratic veins. Not merely power, not merely law, but responsibility within democracy. The Constitution survives, not only through governments, but through citizens who choose to protect its values.